Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to switch to landscape here in Canva. So let's begin. Switching to landscape here in Canva is a simple process. If you haven't already, you might want to check on how to resize project here in Canva in our Deep Labs YouTube channel, because this is the part 2 of that video. Now, on the previous video, we have a landscape design and we switch it to a Instagram story, which is obviously a portrait in orientation. If you go to the file section here, you would notice that this is 1080 by 1920 pixel. All right. Now, I want to switch this design to a landscape orientation. There are a couple of methods available for that. The easiest way for you to do it is essentially click the resize button. But please take note that if you see any crown watermark like this one, it means you have to switch to the Canva Pro subscription if you are using the Canva free trial, because you cannot use any features, elements, or tools with this watermark right here. All right. Of course, if you are on free trial, you just click the try Canva Pro for 30 days and you can cancel anytime. If you click on resize, as you can see, you can resize this design into whatever format you need. Obviously, you can choose the Facebook landscape. You also have the option to browse by category. You can have the custom design. You can put in the values. Of course, you can choose from videos, presentations, and more. You see all that? These are some of the options. If you wanted to use the poster for landscape, you can use this and a lot more. Since I am using the Canva free option, I don't have the necessary tool to resize this. It's a lot easier, really, if you just click on the resize. But there's another smart workaround if you don't have the Canva Pro, which is, all right, again, if you go to the resize button, you see that the Facebook landscape is 940 by 788 pixel. You just have to remember this values, all right, 940 by 788. I'm going to the file section and I'm going to create a new design, all right. And that's going to be 940 by 788, right? You see, there's going to be a suggested, right? So we are on the right track. All I'm going to do is click the Facebook post landscape. What will happen is you would be forwarded to a new design. Now, after that, it's very simple. All I have to do is go to the upload section. I'm going to, obviously, right, put in the elements that I have used earlier. I'm going to the video section. These are the elements. We have a separate video on how to transfer a design to another design if you want to check that. I'm not going to show you how to do it, but instead go to our Deep Labs YouTube channel, because we have an in-depth tutorial about it, but we're just doing the manual. Now, click the play button to see if the elements blend perfectly well, because switching to a landscape orientation can enhance the effectiveness of your designs, making them more suitable for specific purposes and audiences. Once you are happy with this, all you're going to do is click on the share button. If you want to download as an MP4, you're all welcome to do that. Just click on download. Or if you want to share this new design that you have switched to landscape, just click on the copy link and send it to your client, your team member, or to your boss. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.